Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Codes Laboratory. So in this video I'm going to explain you Hello World program, and after that we are going to download Eclipse and we will execute this program on an Eclipse. So let's start and let me take you to the program. Okay, so this is our Hello World program and I want you to understand all these keywords which we have written here, which we have used in creating this program. If you can explain these keywords to any interviewer in your interview, believe me, it will gonna create one good impact. Okay, so let's start. So first let's talk about the public keyword. So in Java we are having this public. It's an access modifier. Access modifier in the sense, create some class as public. It means you can use this class or you can call this class from another packages also. If you have created some method as public, it means you can call this method from some another class. And if you have created some data variable as public, it means you can use that particular variable in multiple methods. Okay, so this was the public, and let's go to the class keyword. So it is the keyword in Java. If you wanted to create one class, you will have to write class keyword before the name of that class. As you can see, I have given the name of my class like first program. So over here I have mentioned this keyword class. It means my class name is first program. So this was the class keyword. Let's go to the static. In Java, static mainly we used for the better memory management. Let me tell you, we are having two types of method in Java. One we call it static and another we call non-static. It means whatever method is having static, they are going to be static method, and if we haven't written this static keyword, it means that method will be a non-static method. So let me tell you what is the objective of having static in Java. If you will create the object of that particular class, all the methods will be created into the heap with respective of their object. And if you have mentioned some static method in your program, then those methods will only get allocated, will only get the memory once in your memory. So this is the main objective of having static keywords, so that we can use the memory in a better way. And the void is the return type. It means if you have used void as a return type in your program, it means you do not need to return anything. And if you will write some int here, then you will have to write one more line like return 1 or 0 or 10, then only it will works fine. But in case of void, you do not need to return anything. Okay, so main is the keyword. Guys, just understand, when you execute any Java program, so that particular Java program is actually looks for main method. And if you have given the properties like this, if you have made your main method like this, public static void main, and you have also received the array of string arguments, or the JVM will get to know, okay, so this is the method. So from main method the thread going to be start. Guys, just remember, if you will not mention static here, JVM will not execute it. If you will not put these arguments here, JVM will not execute this main method. So just for now keep it as it is, and in detail I will explain you these things and these concepts in upcoming sessions. Okay, so let's move to system. What is system? System is a class which is present in Java, and I will show you once we will complete this theoretical part. When we will execute this, I will going to show you what is the system class, how it is, and what do we have in this. So out is the object print stream class, and it actually present in system class. The out object of print stream class we have created in system class, and it's an static object. That's why we have used this object with the reference of their class name. And this println method is actually present in print stream class. So in this way we are using this, and in this we are passing hello world. So these double quotes means you are passing some string, and when you will execute this program on your console, it will write hello world. Guys, just remember one thing. I just wanted to tell you this thing for the initial part, so that once after downloading and installing Eclipse, once we will execute our program, you will feel little bit friendly with that program. Let's go to our ppt. Okay, so next step is we need to download Eclipse. Okay, let's go to the Google and download Eclipse. Okay, here we need to write google.com download Eclipse, and here it is, the official website of Eclipse. You need to click here. And okay, so as my desktop is 64-bit, so I'm going to download this version, and I will recommend you to download this one. Okay, after that you need to click on this button and downloading will start. I have already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it again. Let me take you directly to the download window so that I can show you. Okay, so here it is. As you can see, here is my Eclipse which I have downloaded. So to install this, you just need to double click on this. Okay, so now here it is asking us like, what is your purpose to have this Eclipse? So I am going to use this Eclipse ID for Java developers. I want you to click on this. Okay, as we have select this, if you are having multiple versions of Java installed on your system, you can select what version you want to use. As you can see, I have Java 1.8, Java 13, Java 14, but I wanted to use JRE 1.8, so I'm going to choose this. From here you can select your installation folder, so I will keep it same, and then I will click on this. I will remove this, create start menu entry, yes, and I want you to keep this so that it will create a shortcut on your desktop, so it will be easier for you to open this for next time. Let me click on install. Okay, so as you can see, installation has started. Let's wait, it will take some time. Okay, see, the installation has been completed. See, it was very simple. So now I want to launch my Eclipse. I need to click here and Eclipse is going to launch. Okay, so here it is asking you to create your workspace, Eclipse workspace. I am having one workspace which I'm going to use for this. So I'll be coming here, study, projects, Java. So I'm going to use this as my workspace, and you can also select like wherever you wanted to save your programs. So let's click on launch. Okay, so our Eclipse has been opened. So let's create a simple Java program, and to do that we will need to create Java project first, and we are going to name the project Java underscore concepts. And you can see here are our jars files, and let's create one package first. Basics of Java, and now we are going to create one class, and we will name it as first program. Okay guys, so I have already told you about these keywords. Public, what does it mean? Public means we can access this class from some another packages. As you can see, this is one of our package, and suppose in future I'll be required to create another package called Java classes objective. So if I will make this public, I'll be able to call this class from this package also. How that I will going to show you in next upcoming videos. Okay, so class was the keyword which we need to write before our class name, so we have done that. Let's create one public static void main method, and I have told you we need to pass array of string arguments. Okay, now we need to give the curly braces and system dot out dot println and hello world in double quotes and semicolon. So as you can see, we have successfully created our first program. So I want you to execute this, and after saving this, like this, you can save this and you can press Ctrl S to save this program. I want you to click on this button. You can see run first program, or you can also execute this program while click on this. Come here, run as Java application. Okay, so once you will click this, see guys, here it is, hello world. So we have successfully executed this. Okay guys, so as I have told you, this is the class. If you will come to this class and place your cursor here, you can understand this C stands for class, and system is a class, and this out, let me take you to here, this out is the print stream object which is created in system class. And as you can see, public static final print stream and out. So out is the object of print stream class and it is static, so that we have used this object with respective to the class name in which it is present, and it is present in system class. And println, let's go and check the println. So see, println is the functions which is present in print stream class. So what we have done, we have used out object of print stream to call this println functions. And as you can see, this println functions takes one argument as a strings which we have passed hello world. And this was the explanations of this program. So guys, let me tell you, if in any interview you can explain this will actually your eligibility criteria, whether you are eligible to get interviewed on Java or not. If you can't explain this particular program, it will be very hard to you to crack that interview. So I want you to keep these things in your mind, and as it is our first project, so if you are not able to understand this, just don't worry. So in the next upcoming sessions you will be able to understand more. So just stay tuned and let's go back to our PPT and let's check what do we have. Okay, so we have done that, we have executed this program and we have also seen the output. So in the next upcoming session I am going to tell you what is class in Java exactly, like what it is and why do we require to have one class or class in Java. So guys, this was all for this video. Thank you for joining us. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you are having some queries related to this program, please do let me know while writing in the comment sections. I will try my best to resolve your problem. So guys, thank you so much once again.